Yeah, hi there. My name is Andre Helms, and I came across your site when I came over here to Google. I typed in there water damage of Folsom, California, and you guys were hard to find. I didn't find you guys till back here, till like I think it's page 2 somewhere, which is it's not good. It's okay, but you're pretty much 90% here. You guys are right here. Um, I'm all about getting anybody that's from page 2 on 3, 4, 5 up to page 1, so to the money page. If you're on page 2 and back, you're not being seen. 90% of the people are calling these guys up here to map pack section and all this organic business. So um, I want to help get you guys to page 1. If I can make it a win for you, it'll be a win for me. Okay, so the goal is this. I'm sure some of these guys here are your competitors. I hate seeing my competitors. I would love to be up here in the map pack section and even up here in the organic section. This is where all the calls are coming from. So I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do on your own. I want to help get you guys there. I own an SEO agency. I work with quite a few partners throughout the country that specialize in many different areas of SEO, and we get people, businesses to page 1 of Google. Okay, so we love working with people that are on page 2, 3, 4, and 5 and making it a win for them. That's the whole game. Once we get you up here, you have to be prepared because you're obviously once you're on page 1, you start to become an authority. Your phones start to ring, probably double to triple the amount of calls you guys will start having coming in, which obviously means more revenue, which means more profit to you and your team, and means that you can probably start scaling up your business if that's what you're looking to do. But here's a couple of tips for you right now that, and I'll show you why your site's kind of stuck where it's at. Okay, let me go back to where you're at. Okay, you're back down here. You're right here, okay? So first, I'm going to I already plugged your name into what they call this is called a meta tag or meta title, right? So I plugged your name in here, right here. It's showing that you don't have a title or a description, and I'll show you what that is. That's down here, okay? Bam, okay? What you want with this is your meta tag or meta title. You want to speak Google's language though, okay? So here's Google's language. Google likes to rate you. They're going to rank you based off of what you have here. This is what gives them the information to know how to rank you and what to rank you for. Okay, so let's go up here now. See right here, this is what people are typing in: water damage of Folsom, California, water damage restoration, things of that nature. You want to be congruent with what people are typing in, and Google likes that because now Google will know. So if you take that right here and you stick that on your meta tag up front here, what people are typing in, bam, Google sees that. It now knows how to rank you and what to rank you for. So you'll put that keyword or key phrase right here, then a little dash or a straight line, and then put your name, and you're golden. So that's one. Okay, number 2, go over here to H1 tags. I use a tool called Rank Daddy. H1, H2 tags, what are those? Okay, think of a book. A book has a lot of chapters in it, right? Every chapter in a book has titles to each chapter. So think of your web page as a chapter. It needs to have a title, but from Google's eyes, okay? So that title needs to be some information that Google will recognize, and it'll know how to rank you and what to rank you for. And that information is right here. Bam, what people are typing in. So you want to take that. See, right now, here's what Google sees. Google sees all this: Protek Restoration, Clean and Sober, El Dorado County Habitat and Humanity. All this is a confusion for Google. Google has no idea what to do and where to move you. So it just keeps you hanging. Okay, you only want one line right here in this section, and that one line is going to be this, what people are typing in. Okay, so once you put that there, that's perfect. Down here in the H2, you can have 1, 2, 3, or 4 lines. But this information down here is going to be supportive of what you have up here. So you can list some of your services down here, that supportive information, okay? So those 2 key tips right there, let me go back to your page, will start helping your page move off of page 2 or 3 where it's at now, think the bottom of page 2, moving up the ranks. So I'll leave my information. This is stuff that we do, we focus on. The two things I just showed you, you can implement those yourself, and within about a week to 2 weeks, you'll already start to see your site move up, start moving up the ranks. There's other factors involved that can get you to page one faster and keep you there. That's kind of what we do. I just want to open up the floor just so we can maybe get a conversation going and maybe see if we can be a fit. So you guys have a great rest of the week. I hope this information helped you a little bit. I'm not working with anybody in this niche at all. Would love to, maybe see what, like I said, just kind of get a conversation going with you guys and see what we can get going and help you guys get to page one and to start getting your phones ringing and picking up some more customers. Okay, you guys take care. I'll leave my information in the email. Bye now.